So, this is what I spent on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That brings us to the total of. Yes, I live in the most expensive city in the world. Technically, maybe not, but that's how I feel. Because it is expensive to live here in Toronto, Canada. Don't get me wrong, I love the city. There's so much to do here, but that also means you can spend a lot without knowing. I was really curious to see what I spent in a week because sometimes we don't realize how much we spend here and there because there's so much going on. I mean, I just bought a $7 coffee right here without realizing. So I need to track this. It's just a fun little experiment for myself. And here I'm not going to talk about my fixed expenses. I've already done that in my previous videos. You know the drill, mortgage, rents, electricity, blah, blah, blah. But I'm just going to casually vlog throughout the week and see what happens. Well, if you're new around here, hi. I'm Pooja. I live in the GTA with my partner and I'm self-employed. I'm a full-time content creator and hopefully it paints a picture of my life. Also a disclaimer, I won't be intentional in making purchases. I won't just add items for the sake of it just because I'm vlogging. I promise I'm not going to cheat. So maybe I'll just spend $0 in a day or $500 in just one day. God knows, we'll see. But from tomorrow. And oh, I just realized we are starting from the weekend. So that means we'll definitely have some exciting expenses. Okay, I'm thinking to go to the mall. Alright, so today I didn't really do anything apart from like house chores. But I have come to the mall now to buy house slippers. And coming to the mall means definitely there'll be some damage. One store that I'm sure has slippers is Lab & Rose. These are cute, but I don't like the branding on top. Too pink. Didn't find anything here. Okay, so we just came to Sephora. And this is all the things that I use on a daily basis for the Olaplex. Got Moroccan oil. This is something I cannot live without. Missed here. So I spent $196. Trip to Sephora is always an expensive one. Okay, so it's Friday and I just wanted a change of scenery. It gets boring to just work from home all the time. So I just came out to a coffee shop, grabbed an iced latte, and I'm just going to do my admin stuff here and then get home. Just came to the grocery store to pick up some chicken.
$13.
Please wait.
Yes.
Making chicken lettuce wraps. We were not really in a mood to cook, honestly.
Because it's a Friday,
We're not eating
I'm
out.
having wine while cooking. Good job, Peekaboo.
Loved it. And it's the weekend. That means we are going out and we decided to come to Hamilton's Farmers Market. This place is actually famous for their Portuguese tarts.
And one brownie as well. How's it?
So good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you grab one piece of truffle cheese? Yep, this is good. That's everything. You guys accept credit?
You wanna have Indonesian or tacos?
Let's have Indonesian. This is exactly the same taste what we had in Bali.
Or even better.
Yeah.
This is so good. Just $15. This much noodles.
One person can't finish all of this.
There's a outdoor art and indie music
Look at
festival.
the food trucks all
I
around.
know. We just came to this coffee shop called One for All. I just ordered their signature one, Peanut Cloud. This is
Cheers. Hamilton didn't disappoint us.
waiting for a pizza now. Weekends are always heavy hitters. That's when we spend most of our money, I guess. So grabbing some dinner at Shorty's Pizza. You know, you don't feel bad after spending so much money when you have all of this good experience. Got plans for tomorrow? We'll see, and you'll see. It's a Sunday, that means we are doing breakfast outside and we are in Burlington. Any guesses where we are seeing all the craziness?
These are huge ass bagels. It's actually going to be a brunch.
So good.
Whenever we are in Burlington, we make sure to satisfy our breakfast cravings here at JC's.
And Sundays, we usually have breakfast outside. We go to Tim Hortons a lot too. Because one day I need a break from my own regular day. Need to go out and have a brunch. Thank you. The combination of the bagel with this coffee is just perfect. Peach coffee it is. And I'm sure it's going to be the biggest damage in the entire week. Where does everyone spend most of their money? So we haven't been to Costco in like months. That's why I feel it's going to be a big one. There's no space.
This is what happens when you come after 4 or 5 months. You need to stock up on essentials. What else? Take some chips.
No chips. Expensive.
$34. $35. I'm expecting 300 to 400 easily.
This is a lot. Okay, so the damage is $385 minus $65 actually, because this is our annual membership that was due for renewal. Things have gotten a bit expensive. Not a bit, like a lot. This is a big blow on our wallet for this week. Okay, we have spent a lot of money and now it's time to make money too, right? I have half of the day. Then I started to shoot. It's already 7. This is my cutoff. 7 is my cutoff. If I'm not in the kitchen by 7, that means I'm not making dinner for that night. And that also means I'm working. I want to like just sit, focus on my work and not be bothered. Dinner time. I knew this would happen tonight. And we spent in total on a Sunday. Whew. This is all because of Costco. It's the next day and I have just been working since morning. The usual routine, go to the gym, have breakfast. The only thing is I didn't go to the gym. And then back to the kitchen again because it's lunchtime. I'm just going to cook rice, and with rice I'm going to make some chicken curry. This chopper comes in really handy when my chopper is in a meeting. Oops. I didn't put the plug. I'm over with ginger garlic paste as well. I need to go to an Indian store today. Really?
I literally had to come downstairs to see what's cooking because I can smell Indian.
Chicken and rice already. I've just put the camera on tripod because let's reenact this scene.
This is what usually happens. I come downstairs. Take 2. This is what usually happens. I come downstairs because I badly crave for coffee. For my second coffee for the day.
Morning is our own espresso, but sometimes when it's a busy day, we need 2 coffees.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come. The person who works at Tim Hortons literally knows us by face.
Yeah.
Grab 1 medium coffee with 2 milk. You need anything else?
No, I'm good.
All good. Timbits.
No. Honestly, I just feel like every day I'm just spending and spending. And I swear I'm not doing it for the video.
Swear to God.
Yeah. No cheating here.
Thanks, Anya. Have a good one.
I just remembered I'm almost over with my Nespresso capsule, so need to order 108 to be precise. I just don't know why is everything coming during this week. I swear. Order placed. Man, I'm so tired. I have a video to finish. I have to send it to a brand for approval, so I have a deadline there. And also it's 6:30. I just have half an hour. Otherwise, that cutoff of 7 p.m. where if I'm not in the kitchen, now what happens after that? When I'm not in the kitchen, then I don't cook dinner. Health comes first, work comes later. That's what I keep reminding myself. Okay, what do we make for dinner? I'm thinking we can make some pasta tonight. It's gonna be easy. But first, let's see what Saranch is doing. What are you doing?
Working.
At 6:30.
I know, right? I have a deck to prepare for the client for tomorrow.
But we also need to have dinner. Health comes first.
Let's order in.
On a Monday. Even I don't have time to cook, but we have to.
Barry Brown has 1+1 offer going on. We can have that. What's it?
We just ordered yesterday, last night.
That was healthy. Sushi is healthy, right? So today we can have a cheat meal.
And now no ordering out.
Throughout the week, yeah. Sometimes it happens, guys. We don't get time.
I know. Ordered. We really like the spicy Big Mary from Mary Brown. And on Mondays they have 50% off. So we saved a little money. Spent a little but also saved a little.
$5 tax in is a steal deal.
Yeah, it's really good. Honestly, I really feel guilty when we order on the weekdays.
Don't be guilty, it's okay.
So I was just working in my studio and Saran just came and he is craving for... Do you want to show your face?
No.
Today it's all
embarrassed.
Saranj.
I'm embarrassed. I don't know, I have these cravings in a week and I think today is the day.
He wants to have...
I'm gonna have... Not forcing you. I'm having.
And that's the problem. Even when I don't want to have, and if he's having it, I cannot control. $4. Ting.
Ding!
Hi, welcome to Dairy Queen. What can I get for you?
Hi there, can I get 2 small hot fudge sundae please?
$6.70 each for you. You can grab enough.
Perfect, thank you.
And you know what he told me
This is
literally
how
just
our
now?
life is.
He was like, you don't have to spend, it can be on me. So
Yeah, it's on
it
me.
won't be a part of what I spent in a week. But I can't blame him. I don't have to do this. It's so difficult to control. Either we both are controlling or
Thank
we
you.
both are doing everything
too.
together.
There you go.
Guilty.
This
I'll make
ice
sure
cream
tomorrow
is to die
and day
for.
after and day after I'm only spending $0. I'm not getting out of my house. Going back to my studio.
Bye. Even I'm going back to work.
Okay, finally I have one day where I've not spent a penny. It's so funny that I'm so happy about it because there should be days like this, and honestly there are days like this when it's just the usual. I work from home, I don't step out of my house, I make my own breakfast, lunch, and I'm gonna make my dinner. I have everything in the house, I don't need anything. Because of that, I have spent $0 today. Let's just celebrate today. It's a good day. $0. I'm happy. It's Wednesday. I haven't spent anything till now. Almost 5. I've just been working all day at home. But now, as you can see, I'm out, which means I'm going to spend some money. I'm here for a haircut. My haircut is due. By the way, let me tell you, this short haircut is very high maintenance. I just have to chop it after every 2-3 months. It's definitely a pain. I'm still trying to figure out if there's any place that can do it for cheap. But I'm back to my favorite place. It's the Vivid Salon here in Port Credit. So the person I go to is Chris. He's on a vacation, so I'm going to get a haircut from a new person. Let's see how it goes. Really scared. There's not going to be a huge transition. I just need a trim actually. A lot of hair gone. Haven't really shot this time. This is the after. I cannot even recognize myself. I think this is the shortest I've ever been with my hair. I just don't want to come again like after a month or two to cut my hair. It is expensive. I paid $150. So this time I thought I'm going to save myself a haircut and go like really short. My hair grows pretty fast, so I'm not even worried about it. Alright, it's time to go back home and look at the view in front of me. Beautiful. Just another weekday in my life. Did the usual, was working all day today. But it's evening and we are out to do groceries.
We'll be going to 2 grocery
stores. Two today, starting with the most expensive one actually. Because I come here for, I'll actually show it to you inside. This is the reason I come to Whole Foods. Because you get this. Pasture-raised eggs. So I got some veggies, fruits, and they actually have a lot of snacks, a lot of groceries with clean ingredients. This is the mayo. This is made from avocado oil and it has no preservatives. This store is expensive, but all the healthy stuff that you get in Canada at the grocery stores is expensive. Are we done?
Yeah, almost done. Just gonna pick up some protein bars. What's the damage?
$153 for our weekly groceries.
Expensive.
But we're still not over. Came to Indian store for this.
We always get confused which atta to take.
Yeah, there's so many options.
Yeah.
Always. Indian groceries done, and here we spent $40. Not bad. Alright, so it's time to do the totals. Let's see what I spent in a week. And guys, I have divided few of the expenses in half because that's shared between me and Saranj. So here are all the amounts. Sunday was the highest, $230. So The total is $805. I don't know if it's more or it's less. What do you guys think? And just want to say there were a lot of expenses that I don't do on a weekly basis, like haircut, Costco, even Nespresso. It's not a weekly expense. So this is definitely a high number. But honestly, doing this experiment really made me feel that there are so many small expenses that you just don't realize in your daily life. But when I was tracking it, I was being cautious. And just want to mention, everyone has different lifestyles, right? So people might think this is more or less, but everyone has different priorities. And this is mine, and I really hope it was informative. And the moral of the story is, yes, it's pretty expensive to live here in Toronto, which you probably knew before. If you want me to do more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. And one purchase that I regret during this entire week is my haircut. My hair is way too short.